Stress incontinence, also known as stress urinary incontinence. It is due to insufficient strength of the closure of the bladder. Urinary incontinence is a condition in which there is involuntary loss of urine, which is a social or hygienic problem. Causes: pregnancy, age, obesity, chronic cough, sneezing, smoking, genetics, constipation. Stress urinary incontinence grading: Grade 0, incontinence without leakage. Grade 1, incontinence with only severe stress such as coughing, sneezing, jogging. Grade 2, incontinence with moderate stress such as fast walking, going up and down the stairs. Grade 3, incontinence with mild stress such as standing. Types of the stress urinary incontinence. Type 1, incontinence due to loss of posterior urethrovesical angle alone. Type 2, incontinence due to loss of posterior urethrovesical angle as well as urethral hypermobility. Type 3, incontinence due to intrinsic sphincteric deficiency. Physical examination: pelvic examination to rule out pelvic or abdominal masses, pelvic organ prolapse and vaginal atrophy. A positive cough stress test in which leakage is visualized at the moment of the cough is helpful to confirm diagnosis. On vaginal or rectal examination, check pelvic floor muscle quality and to what degree a woman can voluntarily contract her muscle. Cotton swab test, ultrasonography. Finally, a urine analysis is done to rule out urinary tract infection as a transient case of stress urinary incontinence. Urethroskopy, uroflowmetry, cystometrogram, MRI to detect the defect in the pelvic floor muscle and supporting fascia. Management: weight reduction, postural changes such as crossing legs often prevent stress urinary incontinence. Kegel exercise: women must do exercise correctly, regularly and for adequate duration. Medications: estrogen, alpha adrenoreceptor agonist, serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. Devices: ring pessary. The pessary compresses the urethra against the symphysis pubis and elevates the bladder neck. For some women, this may reduce stress leakage. Injectable bulking agents. Bulking agents are injectable materials placed at the bladder neck to improve continence. Several different bulking agents are available, including silicone particles, carbon beads, calcium hydroxyapatite, etc. Although less effective than surgery, these agents are reasonable option for women with multiple comorbidities who are poor surgical candidates. Bush-Colpo suspension and facial sling.